Tonight on Cooking with Adam, we'll be making chicken taco stuffed peppers with pico de gallo and sour cream. Just a quick note, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, subscribe. If you like this video and my other videos, please consider smashing that like button. If you need the ingredients, they're listed in the description. Link to the step-by-step instructions are also in the description, as well as the trial for our home chef, the cooking tools, and just about everything else. With that said, let's get started. Here are the ingredients we are working with tonight. We have 1 red onion. We have 1/4 ounce of cilantro. Somewhere here. Oh, here it is. We have 3 Poblano peppers. We have 1 Roma tomato. We have 1 lime. We have 13 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast. We have 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. We have 2 ounces of Cheddar-Jack cheese. And we have 2 ounces of sour cream. Alright, for utensils, you need a few things. As always, you need a pan. You need a baking sheet. You need some aluminum foil. Your favorite knife, sharpened. Some cooking spray. Some olive oil. A medium-sized bowl. Salt and pepper, and some sort of juicer to juice a lime. If you don't have one, a spoon would do just as fine. Here are our marching orders for tonight's meal. We are going to cut the Poblano peppers lengthwise and remove the seeds and stems. We're going to then slice and dice the onion. We're going to quarter the tomato and cut into quarter slices. 1/4-inch slices. We're going to have the lime, juice 1/2, and then cut the other half into quarters. And lastly, we're going to mince the cilantro, stem it all. Easy peasy. Now we're going to prep baking sheet, take some aluminum foil, lay it down, some cooking spray, we're going to place the peppers on the tray, like so. We're going to massage also some olive oil onto each pepper. Pretty simple. It's going to go into the oven for about 11 minutes. Alright, so now we've rinsed and dried the chicken. We're going to now cut them into about 1-inch diced pieces. Alright, we want a medium to high flame. Let me adjust the camera. There we go. And we're going to add olive oil, which I've already done, and chicken. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, give or take, until it's nice and browned. And flipping maybe every minute, minute and a half. Alright, we're about a minute in. Starting to turn. And brown for that now. Now it's white, but we'll get there. Alright, starting to brown, so now we're going to add the majority of the onion. I'm going to leave about 2 tablespoons left for garnish. And if you get the gallo. Mix that in. Then we're going to cook the onion and the chicken for about 2 more minutes. And then we're going to add the seasoning, some water, about 1/4 cup. We're going to give it one more turn. Now we're going to add a taco seasoning. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of some salt. And a 1/4 cup of water. Mix that together. Make sure it's all nicely combined. Let it cook for another minute or 2. Alright, so one more flip. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then cut the burner. Make the pico de gallo and set up the peppers. So making the pico de gallo is pretty simple. Get the cilantro, tomatoes, onion, leave some for garnish, lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I like to add a little olive oil. And mix it together. Just set aside, soak and marinate for about 10 minutes or so. Here comes the fun part. We're going to add the onion and chicken to the peppers and cover them with the cheese. Pretty simple. Here's the final product. Let's take off the sheet, lay them down on a plate. Please be careful, it's very hot. Take some pico de gallo, add that. Cream cheese, not cream cheese, sour cream. And there you go. Stay tuned for the meal. Is fantastic, tasty, filling. Can't go wrong with this recipe. I think you guys should try it out. If you've tried it, comment below. Let me know what you think about it. As always, if you like this video, please smash that like button. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Till next time, keep cooking.